Have you ever wondered why more men than women become millionaires and achieve success? What makes them more successful than women, and what do they do differently? This video will give some aspects of a men's wealth advantages over women. Men and women differ fundamentally in their priorities, interests, and other aspects of life. While overcoming new difficulties, men are typically expected to be more competitive and driven to achieve their financial and professional goals. This expectation comes from the traditional roles that men played, in which they were supposed to leave the house and work to support their families, while women were expected to look after the household and raise the children. This tradition continues to promote these gender stereotypes worldwide, which impacts women's earn in one way or another. Therefore, it should not come as a surprise that men will often have more money than women. Men have mostly created the workplace environment, so they have established the fundamental guidelines for business activity and are, therefore, more accustomed to wealth-building techniques than women. Here are 6 reasons why men tend to be wealthier than women. Number 1. Family obligations. In reality, women have to choose between raising a family and pursuing the career of their dreams, which dramatically impacts their capacity to earn more money. For instance, during the day, women have to combine taking care of family and work at the same time, which can take a toll on their earning capability. They can be breastfeeding or on maternity leave, which demands time away from work. In addition, many women decide against pursuing high-level professional aspirations because they are moms, which makes them devote more attention to the children, who require their time and attention. As a result, they forget their potential income in order to either stay at home with their kids or take jobs that don't interfere too much with their personal lives. A stay-at-home mother may discover that her abilities are out of date when she goes back to work, and she might have to retrain for the new job she encounters. Men continue to work and earn money throughout all of these, which widens the financial gap between men and women. Number 2. Men get inherited wealth. According to custom and society, a man is more likely than a woman to inherit a family business. They are able to create wealth more effectively because of this. In addition, men have received inheritances of land and family wealth, while women have not. Even though this has changed, the way men inherit money has made the difference in wealth between them and women even bigger, which makes men much more wealthier than women. Number 3. Men are more comfortable with the risk. Taking financial risks for investment purposes is one area in which men and women behave differently. Because of the relatively high levels of risk associated with this potential investment opportunity, most women may have a tough time coming to a conclusion on whether or not they should pursue this particular financial path. Because of this, men are more likely to invest in risky investments, resulting in larger profits for them than for women. Therefore, receiving high returns indicates that they will be able to expand their earnings, eventually leading to them becoming more affluent than women. It is in everyone's best interest to understand that if you do not take some risks in life, you will more likely leave anything back for your children. Number 4. Women are not well educated in financial matters. In general, women invest less than men in the stock market and real estate. This may be connected to a lack of financial literacy, which accounts for the significant wage disparity between men and women. Men invest with greater confidence than women, and they trade more frequently than women do. Increasing women's financial literacy is one strategy to boost their stock market and real estate involvement. 83% of men say their education gave them the courage to invest when they learned about investments and how to pick investment vehicles to park their money in. Number 5. Men are more confident about investing. With the increase in the value of their possessions, men's confidence in investing continues to rise. This indicates that most women have anxiety when it comes to investing, so they might not invest as much as men. Due to a lack of knowledge about various investments, such as the stock market, cryptocurrency, and real estate, they will be extremely careful when investing since they are afraid of losing their money. Men do not approach investment in this way. They frequently assume all risks and have faith in their investment decisions. They ignore unfavorable perceptions and continue to invest in the hope that they will be able to earn a profit from their venture. Number 6. Fewer women invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market has greater advantages when it comes to creating wealth. By purchasing stocks, you can increase your savings, shield your funds from inflation and taxes, and increase your return on investment by receiving dividends. Statistically, over 66% of men in the United States invest in the stock market, even though it is well known that investing in stocks can be risky sometimes, especially if you are invested in individual stocks. Women tend to be more conservative than men, which is why they prefer to invest in safer investments. The fear of losing money in the stock market could be one of the factors that prevent women from investing stock market and other assets that are considered to be risky. Women should be aware that as long as they keep purchasing stock shares on a daily basis, their income will increase, and they will profit from the strong economy. Men understand this strategy well, which is another reason they tend to have more wealth than women. What do you think about this matter? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to expand your personal finance knowledge, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and turn on the notification before you go so you can get notified every time we post a new video. Thank you for watching, and as always, have a wonderful rest of the day. I will see you in the next video.